Alright, I'm gonna show y'all how I made this beat. Let's play the beat real quick. I'll show you. So that's a pretty good idea of what's going on. So I started out with the Prince VST, something simple. If you're a beginner, if you've been making music for a long time, you do not have to make it uh super confusing all the time. Just to get some rhythm, get some notes, like bass notes down. And we uh started working on the second melody. And this is what they sound like together. Then we have the third melody. And I didn't want it to get too uh repetitive, so I played the melody, the top melody a little bit differently on this part, and on this one as well. Wait, no, this one, my bad. And then I consolidated the the melodies. After that, I sped up the BPM, and I added drums, and then that's how we get this sound right here. So if you don't know what I just said, pretty much this whole thing right here, let's go like this. This is the melody right here. This is pretty much like the loop I had made, and I turned it into just one single audio file. That's what consolidating is. I'll make a video on that. But this is the end product of the melody after it's been sped up. Alright. After that, I added an open hat just to um kind of the same way you would add a clap, but I wanted it to be an open hat. I don't know. I kind of just like the way it sounded. And so these are uh the two hi-hats I used in the clap. So I'll just play the hi-hats for you. So nothing too crazy on these hi-hats, but I did change the key of it so it wouldn't get too repetitive. And then I added the this bottom hi-hat to make the hi-hat sound fully. Kind of give it a different sound. I like it. Then we added the clap because obviously like that would it's gonna finish making the bounce we're trying to create. that we added the kick. And if you want to hear how that sounds with the hi-hats, that whole bounce. Yeah, that sounds good. Lastly, I had to add the 808s so we could get some more of the lower sub bass frequency filled into the beat. So that's the whole beat right there. Hopefully you learned something from that. Stay out.